How to become successful through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative venture for anyone who takes the time to learn the ins and outs of the trade. From website development to SEO techniques, there are many factors to take into account when developing your business. The following tips will help you find out what strategies to employ and which ones to avoid in order to become a successful affiliate marketer. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. A great affiliate marketing tip is to make sure you're doing business with the right company. A good company will be interested in your success. They should provide you with resources that will help you generate traffic, and they should also help you with any problems you may encounter. A great affiliate marketing tip is to try and get visitors to sign up for your list whenever they visit your site. If you're getting tons of visitors but they aren't joining your list, you are losing out on a lot of money, and opportunities to promote any affiliate products. Whatever product you decide to promote through your affiliate marketing business, make sure you become meticulously familiar with it. If you don't know all of its features and options, you can't write a convincing video on it. When potential buyers take the time to read about a product, they want facts and details, not fluff. Developing a successful affiliate marketing business takes time, skill, knowledge, and patience. The rewards can be great if you are a dedicated and informed internet marketer. The above tips are designed to provide you with the information you need to build and maintain a profitable and flourishing affiliate marketing website. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.